In this video, we are going to see how to show pop-up ads in AdFuz WordPress plugin. Now let's go with the live preview. Let the site be generated and let the AdFuz plugin get downloaded and activated. Once the playground is ready, go to AdFuz and go to Ad Space. So currently we don't have any ad spaces or any ads. Let's seed the data so that we will get some sample data. So once the data got seeded, we can see the ads campaigning automatically assigned ads to the campaigning and ad spaces. Just to verify whether ad spaces have a ad format called global. So we do have two ads assigned to the ad format called global. Now we can able to see ad spaces like global ad spaces, pop-up and exit pop-up. Now we will work on pop-up. So just click this configure now and click add new rules and give a title and then select the global ad space ad format what we have assigned there and use that ad space and change the parameter as you require and click save. Once saved, you can able to see in the site. That's right. Okay. Now you can see the ads as a pop-up. You can configure the parameters, display settings, and you can show as you wish. If you need any information, just click this and you can see the detailed information, how this pop-up works, on what basis, how the priority works, and examples. Thanks for watching.